you. Thank you for that. My name is Ole Nors from Denmark. I'm working with People's Front against the IU, and in my daily work I'm the political leader of the dog workers in Denmark in 3F, in the union 3F. First of all, I'd like to inform you that First of all, I'd like to inform you about a conference in Denmark in June where we'll focus on unemployed young people. So, You'll try again? First of all, I'd like to inform you about a conference in my home country, in Aalborg, in Denmark, where my union, other unions, local political parties are going to make a conference again about young unemployed people in the IU. The idea is that we will invite at least two or three from every IU countries where they can come and tell about their experience and what's happening in their country. So therefore, I hope that I can get some contacts, email address and something like that, so we can send the invitation to you to come to Denmark in June. I can't give you the date because I don't know the date before on Wednesday next week where we have to make the plan and the agenda. But there's only one point on that agenda. That's the problem about young unemployed people in IU. So I don't know if the committee can give me an email address so we can send the inviting. I would be very glad if that can be arranged. Secondly, I'm here as a dog worker, formerly dog worker. I'm now working in the union. As I said, I'm the political leader. Well, our experience, and the dog workers has a big experience with the IU. Every dog workers in IU, in all the countries, know who the head enemy is. That's the Troika and that's IU. We have been fighting against them since 1999 with Ports Packet 1 and 2, and we are still fighting. I think the strength for dog workers is that we stay together. Everybody knows about what's happened there. So I think if the branches all around Europe can work together, I think that will be a good idea. And when we work together, we can go to our leaders in the unions and say, you have to fight together with us. I think that's the best, because nobody of the leaders in the trade union in the different countries, they know all about the doggers. They know that they're fighting together, and they know they're fighting against the IU. They know that we are fighting against the Troika. So I think that the branches have to work together to build it up from the bottom. So as you can see, that's a gift from my Portuguese colleagues from the ports. We will never walk alone, and every dog workers in the IU know that we'll never walk alone, and I hope other branches can say the same in a few years so we can put the pressure on the political and our leaders. Thank you.